There you go, not as spectacular like the other day. But this is the 6th of November 2025. As you can tell, that was a herring gull. Magster. Anyway, and let it roll over to nature if they fly in. Sure they will. Let's go out a minute because I heard one of them lot walking up there. Look. Scanning. Let's go back to something. Oh, by the way, I fixed that step yesterday. I'm happy with what I've done. Lucky enough, that Hoover that came yesterday came with longer wood, screws, so it's holding it in place. But we'll see how it goes. But as you can see, look, anyone going up and down. Back to sunrise. Sorry, long day ahead again. And apparently there's been a sonic boom up the other location, so I'm going to go back up there later. Some weird noise up there. But there is a MOD up that way, so it could be anything. Look at those birds. Meanwhile, back to the birds.